Okay, today we are in a 2023 Nissan Sentra SR Midnight Edition. We're gonna go for a POV drive here in Toronto. I'm gonna give you guys a quick exterior look of the vehicle before we hop back in and go for a drive. Give you guys an exterior look at this video. Once again, I want to say thank you to Nissan Downtown here in Toronto. If you guys are in the marketplace for a Nissan, I have Ziggy here, who is a salesperson, so I'm going to leave his info in the description of this video. If you guys need a Nissan, make sure you guys reach out to Ziggy and mention that you watched this video, and that's the reason why you're checking them out. So we have a small sedan. This is the smallest sedan that Nissan offers.
Yeah, it's one above that. It's like the Versa, the smallest one, then the Sentra.
So we have the Versa, then the Sentra, and then I think the Maxima's next.
Yes.
Okay, I like the black spoiler at the back. Looks like we got a sporty rear diffuser, little midnight badge at the back. Trunk space for the Sentra. That's actually pretty good. That's a lot of trunk space. Get a lot of groceries in there. Let's take a look at the back seats. So we got a cloth interior. I like the carbon fiber trim that you'll see in a couple of their spots. I like the orange stitching in the cloth seats, and it looks like a little bit of suede here in the center as well. And let's hop in the driver's seat and go for a drive. Look at these driver's seats. Nice little checkered flag. I like the sporty steering wheel. Just push button start. It's down there. Looks like that carbon fiber trim comes over along the side, up around the gauge cluster, cup holders, a decent sized infotainment screen here. No navigation.
It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. Okay,
so we got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's all you really need. The car doesn't need to have standard navigation. Let's we'll go for a drive and we'll explore a little bit while we're on the road. Where am I going?
So turn left here, then we'll go left on Queen, and then right on DVP.
Love downtown Toronto traffic. Can I get in here? I like the orange stitching along the dashboard. It's quite nice. Let's turn on the climate control. Got heated seats, heated steering wheel, automatic climate control. What more do you need to ask for? No blind spot monitoring on this model?
No, there is.
Oh, so there is. Okay, so it's just this in there for blind spot. Okay. Any other safety systems on here?
So this one will have the button here. Oh, so this one's got, it looks like it's got adaptive cruise control.
Oh, very nice. Any pre-collision warning?
It should have some, yeah.
Lane keep assist?
Yep. So it's all through this button here.
Okay.
Sure this has,
well, let's merge onto the highway, get up to speed, get a good feel for this vehicle. Is there a sport mode? Or is it just one mode?
I believe it's just one mode, yeah.
Alright, let's get a feel for the acceleration. We have traffic. The map lied to me. The map said there was no traffic going this way.
Welcome to Toronto.
Welcome to Toronto. This would be a good time to test out the active stop and go cruise control. So let's turn that on. Press select speed. Press set. Okay. So we have a few lanes to choose from. I'm going to leave it on 3 bars. I can already feel it activating. let's turn up. So cruise control's at 60, 70, set it to 100. So our cruise control is set to 100. We're following around 50. That is a very nice feature to have, especially in all of this stop and go traffic. I like the circular vents here. Reminds me of a Mercedes. And the Alfa Romeos are actually similar to this one as well. Turn the fan down a bit. So this one does have the CVT transmission, so don't really have any gear shift changes. So no sport mode, no sport for the transmission, just one simple fuel efficient mode. Now, it looks like there's an eco button over here. So there's an eco mode if you would like to save more fuel. What's the engine size in this?
It's a 2-litre 4-cylinder.
4-cylinder, just naturally aspirated?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Ah, I love it. I love this cruise control. Powered sunroof, manual sunshade. I like this this M Sport steering wheel. It's quite nice. Flat bottom, more leg room, orange stitching on the inside. It's nice. I like it. All right. Well, we are going to get off at the next exit. I'll head back south, maybe get a chance to go a little bit faster here. So this cruise control activates, so somebody pulls over and car senses it. That's good. See what we got with a little bit of the infotainment system. So we got phone, audio.
We can connect to your phone for Apple CarPlay if you want.
Do you want to connect to your phone?
Sure.
Touchscreen's pretty responsive. No. Well, can't do it while we're driving, so we'll not worry about the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto. Heated seat button down here. Heated steering wheel.
USB-C, USB-A connections.
Oh, perfect. Aux cable, USB-C, and USB-C. Bluetooth, audio. Do we have any satellite radio?
Should do, yeah.
Oh, there we go. Satellite radio. No music. Copyright. Okay. So let's get off here. Let's get a little idea for the handling. Brakes are nice and firm for the weight size of this vehicle. I'm confident in the steering. A little bit of body roll to be expected from, you know, it's not really a two-door sports car. It's comfortable. I mean, seats are comfy. They are manual seats, not electronic. Looks like we got power mirrors. A CVT transmission is so interesting. So not used to it. Oh, it's a pre-collision sensor. The RPMs go high, but it doesn't accelerate too fast. At least you can dive into the corners and you're not too worried. I'm pretty confident with the handling of this car. Really light feeling car. Strong brakes. overall, this engine's not too powerful. It'll pick up pace when you need to, but you're not going to be beating anybody, but it sure will be fuel efficient for you. What's the price point of this car?
So this particular one is 30,400 plus tax.
Okay, it's pretty good.
They range, depending on the model, from anything from 26 plus tax to 32 plus tax, thereabouts.
So for 30,000, you're getting quite a lot. You know, Apple CarPlay, satellite radio, heated seats, heated steering wheel, automatic climate control. Is it all-wheel drive?
No, this is not all-wheel drive.
So this is a front-wheel drive model. Okay. Suspension's pretty comfortable. You can feel a bit of the road. Good feedback. Drive's pretty good. I like the drive. It's you know, for the price point of this car, very fuel efficient engine. It seems like there's lots of back seat room. Got a sunroof, heated seats, heated steering wheel. I mean, at this price point, like, you're getting really good value. The drive's good. It's smooth. It's comfortable. The brakes are very reliable.
I like this one a lot because of the Midnight Edition, the color scheme.
The Midnight Edition is very nice. I like the carbon fiber. I like the orange trim. The seats are comfortable. I like the cloth seats, to be honest with you. I do like the cloth, especially with all the orange in it. It's great. I mean, even on the shifter down here, we have orange stitching in it. I'm sure Nissan, you know, very reliable brand as well, so I don't think you can go wrong with this car. It's a good good car to daily drive at a really good price point. Do you know roughly what we'd be at on a monthly payment for this car?
With I think you'd be ranging from about 400 to 600.
Okay, just yeah, depending on how long of a term or cash down you want to do. Yeah, I love the fact that it's got active stop and go cruise control. I mean, there's a lot of premium brand cars that you can spend $50,000, $60,000 and you don't even have adaptive cruise. Quick turn here.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite features of adaptive cruise.
Especially if you live in Toronto. I mean, anytime you try and go on the DVP or the 401, it's terrible. And you know, the acceleration is actually pretty quick there when you're from 0 up to speed, and you can do probably even more than that. Wasn't even full throttle. Yeah, don't forget, if you guys are in the Toronto marketplace, make sure you guys hit up Nissan Downtown. Appreciate Nissan for letting me take the Nissan Sentra for a test drive. I'm gonna leave Ziggy's information down below. If you guys have any comments, just let me know or send Ziggy an email. I'd be happy to help you guys out through that process. Yeah, we did a little bit of highway driving, did a little bit of city driving. Yeah, there's a low. When would you use low compared to drive for?
I think that's more for like a low range gearbox if you're going up a very steep hill. I think in most cases for most drivers it's not going to be used too much.
Just going to stay in drive.
Yeah.
What's this button do? Okay,
so that's like
brightness.
I think it should automatically change it at night time.
Yeah, once the night's on, we've got automatic lights on. Yeah. Anything else over here? I think we have covered it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys appreciated this little test drive of the Nissan Sentra, our Midnight Edition. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.